Okay, welcome guys. So welcome to this tutorial, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to achieve this effect which I'm showing to you right now is multiple shots coming together, and this is how we have used keyframe in this shot. Okay, it's very simple and it's very interesting. So I'm going to show this to you. So right now I have these three shots. I'm just going to copy and paste them over here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the first shot in this frame. I'm going to go to this transform tool. I'm going to reduce the size of the view so that I can see what's outside the frame, and I'm going to take this shot outside this frame and add a position, and make sure you are at the first frame of the shot, yeah, because that's the beginning. And now I'm going to take this to the end of this clip, and this is the last frame, and I'm going to add the final result where the shot I want it to be. So I'm going to place it here. Okay, I'm going to press done. Again I'm going to go to the start beginning of this shot. I go to the man sitting right now. I'm going to perform the same process. I'll add a keyframe, add position, and this time I'm going to do it opposite. This shot goes to the right instead of to the left instead of right, coming from the right. Yeah, so the keyframe is here. Okay, so now I go to the last frame of the shot, and I bring the shot to its end place, to its final place where I want it to be, and I'm going to press done. Now I go to the middle shot, which is this traffic shot, the top angle, and now I go to tools, and I take this shot above, somewhere over here. You can take it below, but I just want it coming from above, and I'm going to do the same. Add keyframes to the position, go to the last frame of this shot and bring this shot back to its original position, and you can see the keyframes has been added automatically when we moved it and we pressed done. Okay, and now you will see the effect has been added. Okay, I just need to render this. Okay, it's rendered, and now you can see that effect has been applied, yeah, because the keyframes that we added, and you can see that the numbers are revolving as this shot is taking place. Yeah, so this is how simple it is. Another process I can do is I can just select all of these, turn it into a compound clip. I just call it clip 2, press OK, and you see my clip is ready here. Okay, all my three shots are inside this. If I double click it, you can see my three shots are here in a separate timeline. Yeah, so you can furthermore add edits to this. You can change the speed of this and reduce the speed of the movement to the whole video. Yeah, so you can do as many changes as you want. I have done another changes to the same clip. You can check what I've done here. I have rotated the whole, yeah, and it looks pretty cool to me. Yeah, so I can show this to you in next clip how I did this. Yeah, it's very simple, it's nothing complicated, but these small steps will help you to grow, to add more keyframes and think more creatively. Yeah, so that's all I have to teach you in this short tutorial. Okay, I hope it was helpful for you guys. So thank you so much. These tutorials are for beginners, not for experts, advanced students. But yes, you're free to watch, and see you guys soon in next tutorial. And please don't forget to follow or subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you.